The secret to never being poor again. Transform your financial life now. Have you ever imagined what it would be like to look at your future and see a scenario where financial freedom is no longer just a distant dream, but a concrete reality? Stop for a moment and feel the weight of your current financial situation. Now imagine a future where that weight no longer exists, where the debts are paid off, investments start to bear fruit, and abundance is part of your daily life. That future is not far off. It can start today with a single decision: to take control of your financial life and take the first step toward transformation. What you need to change your financial life is not a stroke of luck or a miraculous inheritance. What you need now is to act. And I'm here to show you how you can achieve prosperity and finally live abundantly. The power is in your hands. Decide now. If you're tired of feeling stuck, watching bills pile up while dreams become more distant, know that you can change all of that. No matter what your current situation is, the truth is that the power of transformation is within you. Don't wait any longer. Don't blame circumstances or things you can't control. The only thing you need to do is decide to no longer live on scraps, to not allow the lack of money to dictate the rules of your life. Change starts now. Yes, that's right. The time to act is now. And the best part, you don't need to be an expert to change your financial life. What you need is courage, discipline, and the decision to start taking small steps today to achieve big results tomorrow. You won't be waiting for an opportunity anymore, because the real opportunity is already right in front of you. Just take action. The path to prosperity begins with controlling your spending. The first and most important step toward financial transformation is controlling your spending. There's no point in trying to increase your income if you don't know what to do with the money coming in. Stop living under the illusion that everything is fine while your debt just keeps growing. The secret to achieving financial freedom lies in the smart management of your money. Did you know that many people live as if they're on a financial roller coaster, never reaching the top? They believe the problems will disappear, but in reality, the only way out of this cycle is to cut unnecessary expenses. Start living with more awareness. Ask yourself, is this expense really necessary for my future? By doing so, you'll free up resources for something much more powerful: investing in your future. Investing, the step to multiply your wealth. The truth is that investing is the key to making your money work for you. There's no magic, but there is a simple and powerful principle. The sooner you start investing, the faster your money grows. And no, you don't need to be an expert to start. Start with what you have, with what you can. Invest in yourself, invest in assets, invest wisely. Don't wait for money to come quickly and easily. The secret to investing lies in thinking long-term. With the power of compound interest, you'll begin to see your money multiply over time, consistently. And the best part, you don't need a large initial sum. Start with what you have now, even if it's little. Remember, the secret isn't in the initial amount, but in consistency and patience so that time works in your favor. The sooner you start investing, the sooner you'll see the impact of that decision. Eliminate your debts, the crucial step to freedom. Debts are like anchors that prevent your financial progress. They drain your energy and steal your opportunities. But you can put an end to this now. Eliminating your debts is the next crucial step toward achieving true financial freedom. Don't let high interest rates, like credit card debt, hold you back. The secret is to prioritize your debts strategically. Pay off the smaller debts first and gradually tackle the larger ones. This process, known as the snowball strategy, will give you a sense of progress, as well as free up resources more quickly. Now, stop and think. How much could you be investing if you weren't paying those exorbitant interest rates? By clearing your debts, you open up space for a more prosperous future, where money is no longer a burden but an ally in realizing your dreams. The abundance mindset, the key to prosperity. Here is the most important key to your financial transformation: mindset. If you still think money is scarce, that it's for a few people, that opportunities are limited, you're limiting yourself. Change your mindset. Start believing that there are opportunities for everyone, and that you, with action and intelligence, can seize each one. Start seeing money not as something distant, but as a powerful tool that can provide you with growth, freedom, and, above all, the ability to make your dreams come true. The abundance mindset is what separates the rich from the poor, the successful from those who continue struggling. When you believe that success is for you, success begins to happen. Don't be afraid of abundance. Open yourself to it. Never stop learning. Knowledge is your greatest asset. The financial market is constantly evolving, and those who don't adapt are left behind. Never stop learning. Invest in yourself, study, seek knowledge, and you'll prepare yourself to spot opportunities as they arise, even before they become obvious to others. Did you know that the most successful people in the financial world are those who never stop learning and evolving? They know that knowledge is the key to staying ahead and making increasingly smart decisions. You can be one of those people too. The journey is just beginning. Never stop believing. The journey to financial freedom is not a sprint, but a marathon of consistency. Don't expect instant results, because they will come, but true wealth is built with patience, persistence, and discipline. Never stop believing in yourself. Every small step you take now is a rung on the ladder to your success. When you take control of your destiny and begin to act smartly, wealth starts to show up. Your journey starts now. Don't wait for tomorrow because the future begins today. The decision to change is the first step to never being poor again. You have everything you need to succeed. Now it's your turn. Sign up now and start your transformation. If you're ready to transform your financial life and create the freedom you've always wanted, sign up now and start changing your story. Don't put off what you can start doing today. The future is in your hands, and your transformation begins now. Believe in yourself, believe in your potential, and have the courage to take action. Let's go together on this journey toward financial success. Thank you for being here and for believing in your power of transformation. Your future starts now, and your success story is already being written.